Hey guys! So today I will be reviewing Hubble contact lenses and comparing them to a more well-known brand, Acuvue. First off, I just want to say this is not a sponsored or affiliated video. I have not had any contact with the company. I have bad eyesight, so I wear contacts or glasses every day. And thanks to having bad eyesight since I was a teenager, I have many years of experience of being dependent on lenses of some kind. So the way I heard about Hubble is it popped up as an ad for me online. Good job to whoever's doing their marketing, SEO stuff. It's essentially a monthly contact lens service for daily contacts, which if you watched my review, which I did like a year ago, and I will put as a card in the video about the two different Acuvue contacts I've used, then you know I'm all about daily contacts. I will never go back to anything else for as long as I can. If you've never tried dailies, and your prescription allows you to, oh my gosh, do it. I'll just quickly say there's something so amazing and satisfying about, one, the cleanliness. You're not touching something multiple times, sticking it in and out of your eye over and over. Two, the comfort level is amazing for that same reason. You're not getting any buildup or gunk on them. Three, convenience. At the end of the day, you take them out, throw them out, and in the morning you get to put in a fresh pair. And that's my spiel on why I think daily contacts are the way to go. And I guess this is as good as time as any to throw in a little self-promotion since I've already gotten a little off track. Follow me on Instagram, photos of me, photos of my adorable baby, daily stories of what we're up to. And please subscribe to my channel if you feel like it. So, the Hubble ad that got me said, try 2 weeks of contacts for free. I would love to, especially because I can always use more contacts. The ones I normally wear, my Acuvue Oasys Hydrolux One Day, are pricey. I get the best value if I buy a whole year's worth at once, but that's still over $500 for me. And the one time I was able to do that, I had insurance to put towards it, which saved me $150, but it was still over a few hundred up front. Also, I learned from that experience, I don't like doing that, getting a whole year's worth at one time, because 6 months in, my prescription changed. My eyesight got worse. With Hubble contacts, you pay monthly. It's $33 a month. I did some calculating, times 12, a whole year. It comes out to be just a little more than that one time I was able to afford to pay for a year's worth up front with insurance. And since then, I've only been getting 2 to 3 months of my Acuvue contacts at a time. It's more expensive, so the Hubble contacts are cheaper. And like a lot of monthly services out there, I can stop or adjust my plan, subscription, whatever you want to call it, whenever I want. So let's say I go through a phase of wearing my glasses a lot more and I'm not using my contacts every day. Now I have enough on hand, I can stop getting them for a while. I like that. Or let's say I start getting eye headaches again and my vision isn't as sharp because my eyesight continues to deteriorate. I can stop the service, go get a new prescription, update it on Hubble, start getting the right lenses, and hopefully without boxes of the old prescription lying around. So I wanted to show you when I signed up for the 2 weeks free, they got to me within a week, I think. They came in a box with 2 of these boxes inside. It has my prescription on one end and 15 on the other because there's 15 lenses inside. I know this doesn't have anything to do with anything, but I really like the look of it. Their packaging and logo is, I think, cute and simple. And then a couple weeks later, $33 came out of my account, and before I knew it, this box came in the mail, and inside 2 blue and bigger boxes. Again, prescription on one end and the number of lenses on the other. And they're just cute little boxes. I want to save them and use them for something. And here is a strip of them. I will do a cutaway to a close-up of the actual lenses. As far as the quality, this is what I'll say. They get the job done, which I know probably doesn't sound like the best thing when it comes to putting something in your eye and your vision and ability to see. The lenses themselves, to me, feel a little bit flimsier than my Acuvue ones. I have no problem handling them, putting them in. I mean, it's just like any other contact. I have a couple times though put them in inside out because for some reason I can't tell as easily if they're the way they should be. And there's been times when I'm getting them out, I think I push them the wrong way and then put them in and it feels uncomfortable and then have to take them out and fix it. Just random fact, I don't ever do that with my Acuvue ones. Towards the end of a long day, like putting them in first thing in the morning and not taking them out till right before bed. I've experienced some discomfort. They just don't seem to hold up as well for as long as my Acuvue ones, which I can wear for the same amount of time and still not even feel them. With these, it gets to be 9 o'clock and I'm starting to do like the blinking thing. It doesn't happen all the time or every time, but it does happen. And again, I hardly ever have that with my Acuvues. But for the price, the convenience, hey, I'm just gonna throw them out at night and put in a new pair the next day anyways. I love them. I'm so happy with the contacts, the company, the service. A little discomfort sometimes at the end of a long day when I'm tired anyways is nothing, in my opinion, compared to all of the pros. Couple more things, I've never had them pop out so far, but I never had that problem with my other contacts either. I've showered with them in, they were fine, and I'm gonna keep using Hubble. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, insightful, maybe informative. Any questions, thoughts, feedback, leave a comment. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.